Hey guys, this is Jacobs and I'm back with another video today. Now this video is not an arbitrage opportunity, but it's to give you guys a more detailed explanation on how the buying and selling orders will work if you want to do an inter-exchange arbitrage trading, and to see whether at the end of the day it will still be possible, or rather if we still be profitable if we are able to get our orders right. So if you have been watching my videos before on inter-exchange arbitrage trading, you will need to see this video and understand more about what's getting your orders right. Now, I made a video before about market orders and limit orders, and you getting to know whether you can withdraw or deposit on the buying exchange and the selling exchange. But now for this particular video, we need to understand the things about how our orders will be executed on the spot market. Now, if you are new to the crypto space, if you are a newbie and you've been watching my videos on arbitrage, coin, inter-exchange arbitrage trading, you will need to know how to get your orders right. Now, I said to you guys before in one of my videos that this middle price that you are seeing here is not the actual price. Yes, the middle price you are seeing is not the actual price. That's not the price the sellers and the buyers are trading the particular token as of that moment. So please, I'm repeating it once more, ignore the middle prices. Now, there are two things to this particular order, but the first thing you have to know first is that in the crypto space, buying is selling, selling is buying, which means number one, if you want to buy, someone will sell to you, and if you want to sell, someone will buy from you. So that's the first thing that you have to know. If you are buying, someone is selling to you, and if you are selling, someone is buying from you. Now, that is how it works in the whole trading space, be it crypto, you even in the real life event. That is how it works, because if you want to buy something, we need someone to sell to us. It's not gonna magically come from somewhere. No, that is how the world of trading works. Now, number two of that circumstance is that, as you guys can see, we have the order book here, and you can see there is a part above the order book that it is red, and a part below that it is green. Now, I told you guys before, the red side is the seller side, and the blue side and the green side is the buyer side. Now, one thing about it is that you have your limit orders and you have your market orders. But like I told you guys before, while both orders are very good, I'll still advise you go for your limit order so that you can see the exact amount of coins you are getting, and it will better help you in your in your capital profit fee deductions as well. Now, there are two things to this thing. Now, if you want to buy on a limit order and you pick this particular price, let's say we pick 0.003419, it means that we are buying below the current market price. We are selling it at a buy limit below the current market price, below the middle price. We are buying below it. Now, this is gonna work, but it's gonna take some time. It's gonna work. Your order will get executed, but it's gonna take some time. And the reason is because as at that moment, no seller is interested to sell cheap at that point. And for a seller to make profit, they need to They need to sell expensive. So one reason why your order is not getting activated is because it has not reached the seller selling price. Now, if you want to get your buy orders executed instantly, if you want to get it executed instantly, you will need to pick a price in the red section. Now, let's say we are going for this particular price in the red section, which is at 0.003446. Now I would like to call this a buy stop price. So in order to make this video more comprehensive, I think I'm going to call the green side the buy limit side, and I'll call the red side the buy stop the buy stop side, in order to make this more comprehensive. Now I've explained for the buy limit side before, but now let me explain about the buy stop side. Now if you are buying by making use of the buy stop side, which is the red side, you'll be buying at a slightly higher price from the market price, but the advantage there is that your order will get executed instantly. It will take just a few minutes or at least instantly to get your orders right. But the disadvantage today is that it's gonna reduce the number of cryptocurrencies that you get. Now this is MEXE. This is one of my favorite exchanges for arbitrage opportunities, because they tend to be a lot of percentage on this particular exchange. Now the name of this coin that we are dealing with is ORT-USDT. Now this exchange is selling cheap here on MEXE, and is buying cheap here on MEXE, and it is selling higher on another exchange, which I'll be showing you guys later on in this video. Now assuming we want to get our orders executed instantly, if we want to get our orders executed instantly, it means that we'll be buying at the buy stop side. So now let's assume we have $100, and we put it at this particular market price, which is at 0.003471. So we'll be getting this worth of ORT, which means that we are buying at a price higher than the market price. Yes, we are, but it will get our orders executed faster on time. Now let's see if we are still going to be able to make this work by selling on that other exchange. Now like I said before, you have to make sure this is withdrawable. You can withdraw on the buying exchange and you can deposit on the selling exchange. I have checked this. Yes, it is possible for you to withdraw on MEXE, and the fee is just 40 ORT, and it is at the Binance chain. Yeah, the Binance chain, the BSC, the BEP20 chain. So once you've able to successfully transfer your ORT to this particular exchange, this exchange is called Gates.io. I'm very sure some of you are familiar with this exchange already. And once more, you are also making use of the Binance chain on Gates.io. So you copy your wallet address from Gates.io and you send it to your MEXE, then you make the withdrawal. Then after you've seen your money in Gates.io, then you move on to the spot market and you follow up more on this video. Now we've removed our fees and we were able to get 28770.14 because we were charged 40 ORT. Now here we are on MEX on Gates.io and we want to sell. Now as you guys can see, the same way we have it across all crypto exchange, you have the green the buyer side, the green side of the order book, and the red side of the order book. Now like I said before, I'll be saying that the green side is the limit side and the red side is the stop side. So in this scenario we want to sell now. So in the same way we have this in all crypto exchanges, we have the red side, which is the seller side, and the green side, which is the buyer side. But now in this aspect we are selling. We are selling now in this aspect. So I'm going to call the red side the sell limit side. I'm going to call the green side the sell stop side. Sell limit, in which you are selling at an higher price from the current market price, and the sell stop, where you are selling lower than the current market price. Now the same way we did for MEXE is also the same thing for Gate.io. If you want to get your sell order executed instantly, you will need to sell at the sell stop side. Now the disadvantage of that is that you will get a reduction in your profit. Your profit margin will be reduced but you will get your order executed on time because the buyers are willing to buy cheap from you at that particular point, so you will get your orders was executed instantly. But if you want to make use of a sell limit, if you want to sell higher than the current market price, you may have your orders pending for some time because the buyers are not interested in buying expensive from you at that point. So until the market price goes to that point, that might be the point at which you get your what you get your orders filled. Now, in this particular video, if we want to get our sale executed instantly, it means that we will need to sell what at the price of 0.003556. Now, if we are selling at this price, let's see whether at the end of the day we will still be able to what we will still be able to make our profit. Now, I'll be selecting this. Okay, now I've selected the price on the what on the sell stop area, and as you guys can see, we are still making our what we are still making our profit. So we are still making what 102.306617. So essentially we are still making what $2 and 30 cents. So now, while this is very favorable, it doesn't really work for most other coins, but you guys can get into this right now and make your profits from this arbitrage opportunity. So please make sure you take note of your words of your orders before you want to do an inter-exchange arbitrage. Now this is a free signal for you. As you guys can see, it's working well. You can do this and you get your orders filled out immediately and make your profit. Now, if you're making $2.30 on every transaction in a single day, you can make as high as $20, $15, and you make your money from that. Now, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join the link in the description below to get access to my WhatsApp business group where I drop crypto arbitrage signals, inter-exchange arbitrage signals, forex training signals. My forex training is coming up by Sunday, so if you are not yet into that, I will implore you guys to join right now. Like I said, it's just going for $5 if you are in Nigeria at bank rate, and 5 USDT if you are outside Nigeria as well. Thank you.